Hey guys, welcome back to Pixel Explorer India YouTube channel. So today's plan is a bit offbeat. We're heading deep into Goa's forest, not for beaches, not for cafes, but to explore a hidden waterfall that almost no one knows about. Everyone knows Goa for its beaches and parties, but today we're heading somewhere very few have even heard of. A hidden waterfall deep inside this jungle. No signs, no maps, no crowds, just green roads, forest all around, and adventure ahead. I've heard this waterfall, called Waterfalls, takes a short trek to reach. About 2 kilometers through the jungle, but no crowd. Just peace, rain, and nature at its purest. If you've only seen the beach side of Goa, get ready to see the wild side. Let's go find this hidden gem. Alright, so once you re-off the road and into the trail, things get real quick. These monsoon paths are beautiful but super slippery. Wet rocks, muddy slopes, and loose leaves everywhere. One wrong step, and it's easy to slide. So if you're doing this, go slow, wear good shoes, and watch your footing. It's not a race, it's a journey, and the forest will reward the careful traveler. Most people miss this side of Goa, but it's here raw and wild, and then we heard it. A deep, rumbling sound. The trees opened up, and there it was, Vajra Waterfall. Not crowded, not commercial, just pure beauty. Water crashing down, green everywhere, and not a soul in sight. We sat there for almost an hour. No phones, no talking, just peace. The sound of the falls was louder than any playlist. This is the Goa people forget exists. Not beaches or casinos, just forests, rain and calm. If you want to feel something real, come here. We started walking back, soaked, tired, but recharged. This wasn't just sightseeing, it felt like cleansing. Monsoon magic is real. Day one wasn't loud, It didn't need to be. It gave us something we didn't even know we needed: stillness. And in that stillness, we felt alive.